Welcome to KESHEE channel. If you like our channel, please hit the follow and like buttons. Today, we're going to show you how to install a series connected 12.8V 200Ah battery pack. You'll need an acrylic box, insulation sponge, batteries, a BMS epoxy board. First, connect the wires to the BMS, install the nuts, and secure it. Set it aside for now. Take the acrylic box and neatly place the insulation sponge at the bottom. Then secure it. Apply a layer of epoxy board and press it down firmly. We need to measure the voltage of each battery to ensure that the voltage difference between each battery is not too large. Next, install the insulation sponge on the side of each battery and then place them in the box one by one. Use epoxy board to separate the batteries from each other. Now we need to install the BMS. Then connect the batteries in series using copper plates according to the required voltage and secure them with nuts. Correctly connect the collection wires and positive power supply wires, and secure them with nuts. Install the insulation sponge. Connect the positive and negative wires to the terminal of the cover. Put the cover on, and secure it with nuts. The installation is complete. Finally, check the total voltage to make sure it's correct. If you want to learn more about this product or if your company has a custom battery pack requirement, our factory's R&D team will fully support your custom needs. Please contact us directly. This is the finished product after installation. Application scenarios of our batteries. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to receive notifications when we release new videos. Thanks for watching.